If you work in a space with fluorescent lighting that needs to be upgraded to LEDs, an LED retrofit can help you do so with minimal disruptions. To ensure a smooth transition from fluorescents to LEDs, we are working with an industry-leading LED lamp manufacturer to give you quick, easy, simple-to-install solutions for fluorescent to LED upgrades wherever you have installed Lutron ballasts and controls. The Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kit by C-Flex includes everything you need to upgrade to LEDs, including compatible LED lamps and Lutron LED drivers. The kits offer one-to-one replacement using your existing fixtures, wiring, and controls. No rewiring or reprogramming is necessary. Lutron has created a tool to help you determine which Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kit by C-Flex can replace your existing Lutron fluorescent dimming ballast. First, identify 3 key pieces of information: the part number of your ballast, the color temperature of your lighting, and the control type of your Lutron ballast. Once you have that written down, use our ballast lookup tool that can be found on our webpage at lutron.com/ballast lookup tool. Now that we've downloaded the tool from lutron.com/ballast lookup tool, we can use it to find the right retrofit kit to replace our ballast. The first tab has lots of instructions and helpful information for how to determine what color temperature lighting you have, what ballast part number you have, and what control type you have, including additional information for compact applications. The second tab is the tool itself. You put the part number of the Lutron ballast you have into this box here, and the resulting information will tell you what kind of retrofit kit you would use. Let's take an example of an ecosystem ballast, EHD T832 MU210. This is a 4-foot T8 2-lamp 32-watt ballast controlled by ecosystem only. If you have 3500 Kelvin lamps, your recommended Lutron kit is right here, ELD 4T8-2M35-12. Other options are right down below if you have different color temperatures you want to choose. If you want to try a 3-wire version, let's try this. FDB-4827-277-2. That's a 3-wire controlled 4-foot T8 2-lamp ballast, and here's your resulting recommended Lutron kit. If you want a different color temperature lamp, you can choose this right in this box, and the part number changes to meet your needs. For compact applications, there are more options to consider. Let's choose an example. EC3DT4MWKU1S. This is a compact ballast that controls one CFL lamp, 26 or 32 watts. It's controllable by ecosystem or 3-wire. And if the lamps are mounted horizontally, you get a kit number like this. If you have vertically mounted lamps, you can choose that option here, and you get a different kit for vertically mounted lamps. If you're controllable by ecosystem, you put that in here and the part number changes to suit the appropriate control type. If you have 32-watt lamps and you need more light, then that part number changes as well, so we can meet virtually any application. If you have decorative or unusual compact applications, be sure to note all of the information in the notes below. The third tab allows you to put in all the information from a job site to get a complete bill of materials for all of the ballast that you're going to retrofit and come up with a plan for the entire job. This tool can give you everything you need to know to learn how to retrofit Lutron fluorescent dimming ballasts and come up with a plan to retrofit an entire job site. Use that part number to place an order through your local Lutron rep or distributor. Our kits typically ship in 4 weeks. Once you receive your kits, you can install them as easily as installing a ballast. You can find a short instructional video on our YouTube page. If you have any questions, call Lutron Tech Support. Reach out to your local Lutron rep or distributor, or visit our webpage.